If you're experiencing login errors on Steam, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can do this by trying to access other websites or services. If your connection is weak or intermittent, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Double check your username and password to ensure they are entered correctly. Pay attention to case sensitivity and any special characters. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Step 3. Disable VPN or proxy. If you are using a VPN or proxy service, try disabling it temporarily. Sometimes these services can interfere with Steam's login process. After disabling, attempt to log in again. Step 4. Clear Steam cache. Clearing the Steam cache can help resolve login issues. To do this, exit Steam completely, then navigate to the Steam installation folder. Delete the client registry blob file and restart Steam to see if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Check Steam server status. Sometimes, login errors can occur due to server issues on Steam's end. Visit the Steam status page or check community forums to see if others are experiencing similar problems. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.